What up, y'all? Texas City coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Max 270 for you guys, which is going to be a huge push for Air Max Day. I'm pretty sure you guys already have seen a few pictures of this shoe online, but it's finally here. As you can see, the box is pretty special. It has a tonal upper of all the logos kind of like imprinted on the upper part of the shoe, but it has the 270 at the top right there of the box, as well as on the side. This is actually the black and university gold colorway. So at first glance, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. I know a lot of people have been giving mixed emotions on this sneaker right here, but personally I think it's a really dope addition to the whole sneaker Air Max sneaker line. It's a great combination of new age Air Maxes along with some old detailing on there. One of my favorite parts is obviously the big air bubble on the heel, which is actually kind of like an unlocked version of air. If you guys have the chance to put these on your feet, I definitely recommend it, because this air right here, they made it so that you could really feel the responsiveness of it. So when you really put pressure on your heel, you could kind of feel like the responsiveness on the shoe, and then pretty much file on throughout the entire front of the sneaker. But the other part that I like about it is that it's extremely light, and it has that unique sleek look to the Air Max 270. Let's look at the bottom of the shoe. As you can see, you got a kind of like a hollowed out midsole. And the midsole is really soft, so if you guys get the chance once again to put them on your feet, they're extremely comfortable. You got your 270 Air Max logo on the heel right there, the combination of pink and black and yellow or gold. And then you got your huge 270 bag on the heel right there, which is super responsive, like I mentioned. And I do like the option that you have here to like really do a lot of color combinations, and this colorway is one of my favorites, like I mentioned earlier. And it was actually debuted on the runway in Paris Fashion Week. A few brands have been using this shoe on the runway, which is pretty cool. Upper part of the sneaker kind of has like an engineered mesh upper, which is great to see that they're revisiting that material once again. So engineered mesh on the upper right there, which is nice. There is a knit version that's going to come later on, but this is mesh on the upper, which is a really nice hit. Like I said, seeing all these shoes in like a knit material, kind of a breath of fresh air to see like engineered mesh come back, and I think they've executed it well on the 270. You have a little mini swoosh that they brought back on there in pink, and then another swoosh on the side right there, which is a little bit bigger in black. Which is I like what they did with the hyperfuse on the toe box right there for the mud guard, which is not bad. And then the little 270 details on the side as well as on the inside of the shoe, which is pretty cool. The back of the sneaker obviously has a little pull tab in pink, along with your Air 270 on the heel. And then your shoes come with your circular laces. As you can see, the shoe fits like a sock, so there's not really like a tongue here. They kind of just stitched in a neoprene material on the tongue right there, and then added like these quick lacing systems that you see on most of the shoes right now on the side, like the Air Max 95s and whatnot. And then you got your Air Max 270 logo at the top. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. I think at first glance it looks great, but it's all about what they look like on feet. So let's see what these guys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Air Max 270 looks like on feet, and all I can say is super comfortable. Oh man, the air bubble on the heel, you can definitely feel the air bubble on the heel, and I like how they look on feet. They're super sleek on feet, and they fit like a glove, man. It's crazy, and I really like this colorway a lot. I definitely think it's my favorite colors from all the colors I've seen online. And like I said, you can really feel the air bubble on the heel right there, the 270, which is really nice. The fit is true to size, so I would definitely recommend going true to size on these. But if you do have the chance to try them on, definitely try them on beforehand. Just to be sure, let me know what you guys think about these 270s on feet. I think they're super dope. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos in the near future, and also hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos that we upload. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes. I think they're super dope. Peace.